Here's an overview of all of the grade slip and the color coding that I will be discussing during this presentation. It looks a little complex, but I think things will clear up as we go along. This is the overall class section. In the upper left-hand corner, it shows the overall boy average and the overall girl average. In yellow underneath it, you will see the overall class average, the overall homework average for the entire class, the test average for the entire class, and all of the individual test scores that come to the right of that test average. In addition, in the upper right-hand corner, you'll find the overall class average for the first 9 weeks and the current average for the second 9 weeks. In this next section, you'll find in purple the student's code, which is AUT4, the letter grade that's assigned to the student someplace in the middle B area, and his overall or her overall average of 85.69. That comes from the homework average and 2 times the test average, added together divided by 3. The test average is a little heavier. To the right in the purple section is his or her first 9-week average and the current second 9-week average. This brown area is the test section for this individual student. The square at the top shows the overall test average, and the horizontal line of tests underneath shows the individual test scores. Check this individual test score area to see if there is a score less than 90%, and in the 4th grade there's a possibility of retaking the test. This is the homework section, and the one area that I get the most questions about. The homework average for this student is in the square, the red square at the top, and it's an 89.48. That average comes from all of the red scores that you see beneath it. The aqua areas are listing sequentially all the assignment numbers. So the aqua starts at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. And then underneath those numbers is the assignment score that has been allocated to that. So number 1 score is a 100. If you look down and to the right, number 28 is a 79. The area in green for 45 and 46, that is a section where I have assigned an assignment number, but it has not been counted for the students and does not count as a 0. 47 and 51, however, are zeros and need to be looked at. In the 3rd grade and the 4th grade, I have recently decided to take the spelling assignment scores out of the regular homework and put them in the lower right-hand corner here in this purple section. The top line indicates the spelling assignment list number, and then the score underneath it is the individual score for that spelling test. And this last section is our class standing. We have a total of 13 students in this class, and each week I try to come up with a standing of the students in comparison to all of the other students in the class. Over on the right-hand side at the end of the orange section is the overall average for the 5 weeks that we have been running the average for this student. So there you have it. This is the grade slip for the 4th graders. I hope it's made things a little bit clearer to you. Sometimes things get easier, sometimes they get more complex as I change the slips to reflect more information. Please never hesitate to contact me if you have a question. Call me at the school or send me an email. Thank you.